Welcome to our YouTube video where we will be discussing the top 5 detergents for washing machines that are available online on Amazon India and/or Flipkart. These detergents are suitable for both front-load and top-load washing machines. The links for the detergents shown in the video are provided in the video description, which you can browse through. First on our list is the Ariel Matic Power Gel. This concentrated gel detergent is highly effective in removing tough stains and dirt, even in cold water. It is gentle on fabrics and leaves a pleasant fragrance. You can find it in 1L and 2L packs. Next up is the Surf Excel Detergent Powder. A classic and affordable choice, Surf Excel is known for its powerful cleaning ability and stain removal. It is also gentle on fabrics and has a pleasant fragrance. You can find it in various pack sizes on Amazon or Flipkart. Moving on, we have the Tide Plus Ultramatic. This detergent is specifically formulated for washing machines and is available in both powder and liquid forms. It removes tough stains and dirt effectively, even in cold water. You can find it in various pack sizes online. Another budget-friendly option is the Wheel Active Detergent Powder. It offers good cleaning performance at an affordable price. It is effective in removing dirt and stains and has a pleasant fragrance. You can find it in various pack sizes on Amazon or Flipkart. Lastly, we have the Ghadi Detergent Powder. This natural detergent is made from plant-based ingredients and is gentle on both fabrics and the environment. It is effective in removing dirt and stains, even in cold water. You can find it in various pack sizes. When choosing a detergent, there are a few additional factors to consider. If you have hard water, you may need a detergent that is specifically formulated for it. Also, consider the types of fabrics you wash most often and choose a detergent that is suitable for them. Lastly, some people prefer liquid detergents while others prefer powder detergents. Choose the type that you find most convenient to use. Don't forget to check the video description for links to buy these detergents at the best price offers. And please, like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and let us know which washing detergent powder you are using right now. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day every day and stay blessed. Thank you.